Hi everyone, I'm Yan and welcome to my table. Today I'm sharing a recipe that combines two of my favorite dishes, Yu Xiang Rou Si, also known as fish-fragrant pork, and soft, fluffy steamed buns. These are absolutely delectable, so stay tuned to see how I make them. First, let's make the steamed bun dough. To all-purpose flour, add instant dry yeast, sugar, and slowly stream in water while mixing the dough. Bring the dough together with your hands and knead for a few minutes. Don't worry if it's not smooth. For a full in-depth recipe of how to make good steamed buns, check out my beef vermicelli steamed bun recipe by clicking on the link above. While your dough is proofing, let's make the Yu Xiang Rou Si filling. Rou Si translates to meat slivers, so let's start by cutting up some pork tenderloins into thin slivers. This Yu Xiang Rou Si recipe has been adapted for steamed buns, so be sure to check out the full video and recipe for Yu Xiang Rou Si up on the link above. There you will find detailed explanations of sauces and how to make this meat super tender after cooking. When the meat has been cut, put it into a bowl and season with salt, white pepper, Chinese cooking wine, and light soy sauce. Mix it all up with chopsticks. Then mix up some cornstarch with water to make a slurry and pour that into the meat. Stir the meat until all the liquid has been absorbed and set it aside. And now we cut up some supporting vegetables, including julienne slices of carrot, green peppers, and chopping up some woodier mushrooms that have been pre-soaked. As well, finely chop up our mirepoix of ginger, garlic, and green onions. And finally, make the sauce. Mix up sugar, light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, salt, cornstarch, and water. Now everything is prepped and we're ready to stir fry. Heat up oil in a pan over medium heat. Add Pixian douban or fermented broad bean chili paste. Stir fry for a couple of minutes until the chili paste is cooked through, and then add in the chopped garlic, ginger, and green onions. Stir fry that for a minute to bring out the aromatics, and in goes the marinated pork. Increase the heat to medium-high and quickly stir fry to break apart the meat slivers. Then add in the woodier mushrooms and stir fry that with the meat for a minute before adding in the sauce. Make sure to stir up the sauce so that the starch is dissolved before you pour it in. Stir fry until the sauce has thickened up and coat all of the ingredients, and then take it off the heat. Finally, mixing the rest of the veggies and set aside. The The filling is ready to go and the dough should be now proofed. Knead the proof dough on a flour surface for a few minutes. You want to thoroughly knead the dough until it's soft and smooth again. Want a more detailed instructions on how to make perfect steam buns? Be sure to go back to my beef vermicelli steam bun recipe for all the tips and tricks to make perfectly fluffy white steam buns every time. Now divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Quickly knead them into balls and then roll each out into a round disc that is thicker in the middle and thinner around the edges. Then pile as much filling onto the center of the circle as possible. Hold the bun in your left hand and start pleating with the right thumb and index finger. Turn the buns with your left hand as you pleat with the right, pinching the folds together as you go. It is also useful to use your left thumb to push the filling inward as you pleat with your right hand. When you get to the end, close the last fold by twisting and pinching the opening and all the pleats that you've done. Place the buns on parchment paper and into the steamer to rise again for about 30 minutes. You'll know when they're ready when they've puffed up 50% and slowly spring back when pushed. Cover and put it onto the heat. Once it comes up to steam, reduce the heat to medium and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. After, don't open right away. Wait a couple of minutes and let the steamer slowly lose steam before lifting the lid. And there you have it, a really delicious baozi that is flavorful and packed with saucy meat and vegetables. The buns are steamed to perfection, ultra soft and really fluffy. The Yu Xiang Rou Si filling is sweet and sour with tons of aromatic fragrance. The meat is very tender and not overcooked, and the veggies still retain some crunch because we didn't cook them before steaming. The sauciness makes this bun deeply satisfying and so full of flavor. You've got to try it if you enjoy Chinese stir-fried dishes. As always, go to yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.